Hello, and welcome to the EC Pediatric Restraining Chair instructional video. The EC Pediatric Restraining Chair is made of plexiglass that is built at a 90-degree angle and anchored by a thick wooden base. There are two film holding compartments, one in the posterior and one on the left lateral side. The chair has 4 pairs of straps: the ankle strap, the leg strap, the abdominal strap, and the head and elbow loop straps, which is also adjustable to the size of the child. Now for the easy and quick application of the EC Pediatric Chair. First, place a soft square sponge on the base of the seat for added comfort. Then, place the child in an upright, seated position. Secure the abdominal strap first to straighten and align the upper body against the posterior aspect of the chair. Secure the leg straps and then the ankle straps using the Velcro fastener. Next, insert the right arm into the right elbow strap loop and then continue with putting the left arm into the left elbow strap loop. Secure the elbows and the head by tightening the front of the forehead. Fold the strap if needed for more support. Now the child is fully immobilized and ready for a chest X-ray examination. Lastly, we will be going over the 3 basic chair positions. The first position is the upright chest position. This position is utilized to capture the anterior and posterior projection of the child. The following video will show you how to move into the lateral projection view. To move the chair into the lateral projection view, tilt the child 15 degrees backwards and turn the chair 90 degrees away from the X-ray tube, and continue with the examination. The second position is the supine position. This position is for the supine projection of the chest and the abdomen, most importantly used to see the projection of the diaphragm. To move into the supine position, tilt the chair slowly until it's laying flat on its back. Then put the film into the back film holder. Lastly, we will demonstrate the decubitus position. This position is mainly utilized to show the free fluid and free air of the abdomen and the chest. To move the chair from the upright chest position to the decubitus position, slowly tilt the chair onto its left lateral aspect until it is flat on the table. Now you may proceed with the X-ray examination. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has given you easy instructions on how to use the EC Pediatric Restraining Chair. For more information on how to purchase and utilize this product, please visit www.ecimmobilizer.co or shoot us an email at ec.immo@yahoo.com.